Hi everyone, welcome to our next topic, deficient numbers. Let's first define what deficient numbers are. Although we have done it in the previous video, let's do it once again. Let us say we are given a positive integer n and its proper divisors d1, d2, dash 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 dk. If the sum of the proper divisors is less than n, or if sigma n minus n is less than n, if you take the n on the other side, we get sigma n is less than 2n. We say that the integer n is deficient. They are also called defective numbers. For example, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All of them are deficient numbers or defective numbers. Let us take n is equal to 15. If you see, the proper divisors of 15 are 1, 3 and 5. If we add all these, we get the sum as 9. And you can see 9 is less than 15. So we say that 15 is a deficient number. If you use the formula sigma n is less than 2n, you can see sigma of 15 is nothing but sigma of 3 into sigma of 5, which is 4 into 6, as both 3 and 5 are prime numbers. The sum of divisors will always be 1 more, so we get 4 into 6, which is 24. And 24 is less than 2 times n, which is 30. In the previous video, we had seen numbers which are not perfect or which are not abundant are called deficient numbers. Now, what is deficiency then? Deficiency is nothing but the difference of 2n and sigma n. It tells us how much the sum of divisors is less than 2 times the number n. Deficient numbers have been in use since ages. Alcuin, who was the advisor and teacher of Charlemagne, said that the entire human race descends from 8 souls in Noah's Ark. As 8 is a deficient number, he concludes that this second creation was imperfect in comparison to the first, which was based on the principle of 6. And you already know that 6 is a perfect number. Let's look at some facts about deficient numbers. A prime number or its powers are all deficient. Any divisor of a deficient number is deficient. There are infinitely many deficient numbers. The product of two odd distinct primes is deficient. Odd numbers with one or two distinct prime factors are deficient. Proper divisors of perfect numbers are deficient. If p is an odd prime and 2p is deficient, then p is greater than equal to 5. There is at least one deficient number in the interval n, n plus log n whole square, the closed interval, for large n. In the 19th century, J.L.W. Glaisher computed sigma n for all numbers up to 10,000. So where are these numbers used? They are mainly used in classification of numbers in number theory, also for analyzing the sigma function, in music to find relationship between tones, chords and intervals. Their role in cryptography, quantum physics, music, etc. can be explored. Thank you for watching. Our next video will be on perfect numbers. For detailed notes and practice problems and class lectures, you can go to my website www.profpritibajpai.com.